is when I went to the poultry farm, somebody mentioned to me that we are producing, is it 4 billion eggs? And the requirement is 9 billion. We need 9 billion eggs. So we are importing something like 5 billion eggs. Why should a country like Kenya be importing eggs? We shouldn't be importing eggs. I hear KFC is the main importer of eggs. Huh? Sorry? Kenchik. Sorry, not KFC. Kenchik is the main importer of eggs. So we need to do something about it, and I'm going to engage them with a view of seeing whether it is not possible for them to have extension farmers who we can work with in order for us to stop that importation. And we are doing the same. Any crop, anything that we are importing as a food, we want to make sure that in this country we are not doing that. We spend approximately 500 billion shillings every year. 500 billion shillings in importation of wheat, importation of rice, importation of other crops, other foods, now including eggs, of course. We don't need to be spending that kind of foreign exchange in order for us to do that. And the scientists and the other workers within Karo and so on are the people who can help us to get out of those circumstances. So I want